Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel Reviews First. Are you looking for the top 5 best Wi-Fi dash cams in 2026? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best Wi-Fi dash cams in 2026. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. The TERUNSOUl 4K plus 4K dashcam front and rear is designed to deliver premium protection and crystal clear evidence for every drive. Featuring true 4K resolution on both front and rear cameras, it captures ultra-sharp details like license plates, road signs, and surrounding traffic, day or night. The 170-degree wide-angle lens ensures maximum road coverage with minimal blind spots. This dash camera comes with a free 128GB memory card, so it's ready to use straight out of the box. With 5.8 GHz high-speed Wi-Fi, you can quickly preview, download, and share footage through your smartphone without lag. The built-in GPS accurately records speed and driving routes, adding valuable data to your recordings. A responsive G-sensor automatically locks footage during sudden impacts, protecting critical evidence from being overwritten. The 3-inch IPS display offers clear, vibrant playback and easy menu navigation. Reliable, smart, and powerful, the TERUNSOUl dashcam is an ideal companion for safer, more confident driving every day. Number 2. The VIOFO A229 Plus dashcam front and rear is built for drivers who want crystal clear protection on every journey. Equipped with dual Sony STARVIS 2 sensors, this 2-channel dash camera captures exceptional detail both day and night, ensuring license plates and road signs remain sharp even in low light conditions. With 1440p plus 1440p HDR recording, the A229 Plus delivers balanced exposure and vivid clarity from both the front and rear cameras, reducing glare from headlights and harsh sunlight. Designed for convenience, the dashcam features smart voice control, allowing you to start or stop recordings and lock important footage without taking your hands off the wheel. The built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi enables faster video transfers to your smartphone, making it easy to review, download, and share clips on the go. Advanced parking mode, loop recording, and G-sensor support add an extra layer of security when your vehicle is unattended. Reliable, powerful, and easy to use, the VIOFO A229 Plus is a dependable companion for everyday driving and long road trips alike. Number 3. The RedTiger F17 Elite 4K dashcam is a powerful 3-channel driving recorder designed for complete road protection and crystal clear evidence. Equipped with advanced Sony STARVIS 2 IMX678 and IMX675 sensors, it captures stunning detail day and night, even in challenging low-light conditions. The front camera records in sharp 4K, while the rear delivers 2.5K, and the inside camera captures 1080p, ensuring full coverage of your surroundings and vehicle interior. With full-color night vision, the F17 Elite goes beyond traditional infrared, providing clearer, more realistic nighttime footage. The included 128GB memory card offers ample storage right out of the box, so you're ready to record immediately. Intelligent voice control allows hands-free operation, helping you stay focused on the road while managing recordings with simple commands. Ideal for daily commuting, rideshare drivers, and long road trips, the RedTiger F17 Elite combines premium imaging technology, smart features, and reliable performance to give you confidence and peace of mind on every drive. Number 4. The RedTiger Dual 4K dashcam is designed for drivers who want premium protection and crystal clear recording on every journey. Equipped with STARVIS 2 IMX678 sensors for both front and rear cameras, it captures ultra-sharp 4K front and rear footage with exceptional clarity, even in low-light conditions. Dual HDR technology ensures balanced exposure, reducing glare from headlights and harsh sunlight for accurate detail day and night. With a built-in 256GB eMMC storage, you get faster performance, higher durability, and no need for external memory cards. The 4-inch responsive touchscreen makes navigation simple, while voice control allows hands-free operation for safer driving. Designed with reliability in mind, the dash cam automatically records, locks important footage during collisions, and provides seamless loop recording. Whether you're commuting daily or heading out on long road trips, the RedTiger Dual 4K dashcam delivers advanced technology, ease of use, and dependable security, giving you peace of mind every mile you drive. Number 5. The 70x4K T800 3-channel dashcam is a premium in-car security solution built for drivers who want total peace of mind on the road. Featuring front, rear, and interior cameras, it delivers crystal-clear recording at 2160p plus 2160p plus 1080p, ensuring every angle of your drive is fully covered. Powered by the advanced STARVIS 2 IMX678 sensor, the T800 excels in both daylight and low-light conditions, capturing sharper details, accurate colors, and reduced motion blur. With HDR night vision, license plates and road details remain visible even in challenging lighting or nighttime driving. This dash camera is ideal for daily commutes, long road trips, ride-sharing, or fleet use, providing reliable evidence in case of accidents or disputes. Support for up to 512GB storage allows extended loop recording without worrying about running out of space. Designed with durability and performance in mind, the 70x4K T800 combines cutting-edge imaging technology with intelligent safety features, making it a smart investment for drivers who value clarity, security, and all-round protection on every journey.